Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be cooking really popular vegan dish, a vegan veg dhansak. Really nice hot sweet and sour dish. What we're going to need is 3 tablespoons of pre-cooked veg, 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger, 2 teaspoons of tomato puree, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, a sprinkle of Kasuri Methi, 3 teaspoons of pre-cooked dal, 2 teaspoons of desi style mixed powder, 1 teaspoon of chilled chili, a 1/4 pint of base gravy, 2 sprinkles of coriander, 1 mushroom cut up, 4 pieces of pre-cooked potato. Any of the pre-cooked stuff like the potato, the veg, the base gravy, the dal, it will be down in my description box below. So there'll be a link to the video. So if you're unsure, just click the link and it will take you to that video. And guys, if you like my stuff, subscribe, comment, like, ask me any questions. I've been helping a lot of people. I've been asking me all sorts of questions. I've been giving tips, and I hope I've made a difference to their cooking. So let's get cracking with a veg dhansak. Okay, so we're going to be cooking a vegetable dhansak, a vegan vegetable dhansak. Really popular in the restaurant with vegan customers. It's a nice hot sweet and sour dish. A couple of teaspoons of oil. Just going to let that warm up for about 20-30 seconds. So it's been about 30 seconds. We've got the garlic and ginger paste. You can hear that sizzling. Just smell the ginger and garlic. You just want to let that brown a little bit. You don't want to overcook it, otherwise it will burn very quickly. And then I've got my tomato puree, about 2 teaspoons. Letting that just cook in for about 20-30 seconds. Got lemon juice. Just going to put a couple of teaspoons in there. And then you put the gas, put it lower, and then you've got 2 teaspoons of our desi style mixed powder. About 1 teaspoon of our chilled chili, and then a sprinkle of Kasuri Methi. And just let that cook in a little bit. And a couple of teaspoons of our sugar. And you want to put the gas on low, let all that mix in. And then you've got about 3 tablespoons of our pre-cooked dal. You want to let the spice, the lemon juice, the methi, all of that, just let that cook in. So I left it on slow gas for about 2 minutes. I'm just adding the pre-cooked veg. I've got about 4 or 5 pieces of pre-cooked potato. You can put more or less, completely up to you. You don't have to even put any. But this is how we do it. With the veg, we put pre-cooked vegetables, pre-cooked potato and some mushrooms, and then you've got, still on low gas, I'm going to put it on low gas, and then you've got your mushrooms, just chucked a bit of the mushrooms in there, and then for a couple of minutes just let it cook in. So you want the flavours of the spice, the lemon juice, just to soak into your vegetables, your potato, your mushrooms. So I've given it about a couple of minutes, and then the base gravy just goes around it. You don't need to put as much as you would do for a normal curry, because you've got the dal, that turns into liquid. So you'd have a lot more liquid. It depends, if you want it really thick, put more dal in. If you want it a bit more runny, put a bit more base gravy in. And then you just want to leave that for, keep stirring it throughout, and you want to leave it for a few 5-6 minutes at least, and you can now then put the gas right up now and let that melt in. So what you want to do occasionally is you just want to scrape around the sides and then mix the bottom. I'm actually just moving the pan, I'm not actually moving the spoon. And then you want to add a sprinkle of coriander. Ready now, just to come down. It's nice and thick. Got all the vegetables in there. And what you want to do is just add a sprinkle of coriander. There you have it, a vegan vegetable dhansak.